So I've been looking for a garden tractor trailer, riding mower trailer, whatever you want to call it. And I've been spending so much money lately, especially on the Simplicity, that instead of buying something, I need to make something I can move around that I can put split wood in. Because now that the weather's cooling off, I'm going to start splitting some wood. And I came up with an idea because I have a bunch of extra wood. And so I'm going to get my miter saw out, and I'm going to make a homemade pallet, heavy duty pallet with walls on it that cordwood can go into, that I can move with my tractor forks. So these 4x4s here are left over from building my fence. They were 4x4x10s, and I cut off the excess poorly. So I'm just kind of reusing waste. And then these 2x6s were left over from when I rebuilt my deck, which there's also a video of that if anyone's interested in going back and watching that. I mean, it's good wood. It has kind of a junky layer of paint on it, but this pallet of cordwood's going to be sitting outside anyway. So I'm just using the factory edge, and I'm going to cut this at 25 inches. It's not going to be a huge pallet, but I don't want to overbuild it and then have it be heavy for my tractor. Well, that's the basic shape. It's already pretty sturdy. I need to cut pieces that go around the top to make it a little bit stronger, and then I'm going to put some other pieces in between so the wood doesn't fall out. Well, here's how it's looking. I got these up. It's getting more sturdy. These are just 4 pieces cut at 45, which is the same as the bottom ones. And now I need to cut 8 pieces at 23.5. The distance from here to here is 25, but with the 1.5 inches here, I'm gonna do 23.5, and then those are gonna go along the side flush with this. So I got a bunch of pieces marked out. I'm gonna cut all 8 of those and stick those in. All right, well, I got the side pieces put on, and then just to make it look a little bit better, I put these pieces on top to cover the joints. I could put something on the front of this, but I don't know, I'm not really worried about it. But it's pretty much done. It's heavy, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, so I'm gonna go find a place for it.